Tired of spending hours vacuuming or constantly dealing with pet hair and dust? Meet the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus Evo, the robot vacuum that's changing the game. With its ability to self-empty for up to 60 days, you'll enjoy a cleaner home without lifting a finger. Let's dive into why this smart vacuum is the perfect solution for a spotless, hassle-free home. The Roomba i3 Plus Evo doesn't just vacuum, it thinks. Equipped with smart mapping technology, it learns your home's layout, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms on command. Its Dirt Detect technology zeroes in on high-traffic areas, ensuring a deeper clean where you need it most. Plus, its dual multi-surface rubber brushes are perfect for homes with pets, flexing to adapt to carpets and hard floors while avoiding annoying tangles. Imagine 2 months of not even thinking about vacuuming. With the i3 Plus Evo's self-emptying bin, it automatically transfers debris into a sealed bag that can hold up to 60 days' worth of dirt. And it doesn't just wander aimlessly. Advanced navigation ensures it cleans in neat, efficient rows, covering every corner without missing a spot. Customers are raving about it. With over 30,000 sold just last month and a 4.2-star rating from nearly 14,000 reviews, it's no wonder this vacuum is an Amazon's choice product. Users love the convenience of controlling it with voice commands through Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, and appreciate how it learns their cleaning habits for personalized suggestions. Worried about durability? With a reputation for quality and backed by iRobot's customer support, your investment is protected. Plus, with Amazon's hassle-free return policy, trying it out is risk-free. Ready to make vacuuming a thing of the past? Click the link below and take advantage of the limited-time 32% discount. Don't wait. Your cleaner, smarter home is just a click away.